So I'm out here at a job today in, what suburb am I in?
Greystanes.
Greystanes, for an NBN customer. They're on HFC. Now their ISPs belong. Now basically they had an outage here probably 2 weeks ago.
Oh, it's last Wednesday we got back.
Last Wednesday. So since last Wednesday, the whole area here, Belong knew about it, but there was a HFC outage in the whole area, right? Then, because they'd been overseas, when they'd come back, their internet wasn't working. So they've got a HFC server. So I'm just doing some troubleshooting here today, but I'm pretty sure this is an NBN issue, right? So when I first got here, they had, let me just pass me that lead. They had this lead, the NBN one that actually come with the device, and you can, as you can see, the end's broken off it, right? And so this is the one, the one that comes with the actual RES device when you get it. So I thought, well, maybe it's just the lead, right? So I went and got my test lead out of the truck and plugged it directly into the NBN cable. Now that cable goes directly outside the wall here, goes straight into the out of the isolator, which is basically on the other side of this wall. Now, also, as you can see, NBN has left no cable popping out of that wall. Well, that's my thing plugged in here, but they just didn't leave any cable, right? And so also when this socket, it was twisting inside here, so it wasn't actually fixed. There was no nut holding this on here, right? And so we probably have to replace that, but that's not the issue. So the first test we did was use their device, okay? And then we would get all the lights start to come on in sequence. So the power light would come on, the downstream, the upstream, then the online light would start to flash, wouldn't sync, and then all the lights would go out and it'd just go through the same cycle again. So I thought, well, maybe it's just the RS device. So I went out and got my one. So I got a test one here that I can use just to sometimes rule out the RS device. And as you can see, it's going through the same again. So it'll go, the online light, downstream will come on, the upstream will come on. Then when it gets to online, it will just stop and the whole thing will just restart again. Okay, so there's no other taps out of this. It's basically a direct line straight out of the isolator at the side. So the next test we're going to do is take out the customer's RS device, run a power cable straight out to the side there, and can bypass any internal cabling and also bypass the isolator, and then run a test directly on that. Now, if this test is not successful, this is 100% an NBN issue, right? Now, Belong has also basically told the customer at this point, it wasn't really a problem on their end. They couldn't get NBN to come out, so they had to get a private technician, right? So possibly this customer is going to need to be reimbursed for this call today. So let's go do that test. Okay, so now you can see I've basically disconnected the isolator, going back into the property and put a nipple on the end of the lead-in cable and connected directly to my lead, going straight into the back of the RS device, okay? And you'll see here exactly what's going to happen, right? I'm just going to let it run so you can just watch it. So it's going through its startup phase. So that's the downstream connected, and then we'll get the upstream, that'll go solid. Okay, now the online. So this is where it all falls apart. Okay, and then that's when it goes back to that. They all start flashing again, and then it just goes through its sequence, and it just continues to do that. So whatever outage they had here, they haven't fixed it. Okay, so this is definitely not an internal cabling issue. This is definitely not a customer issue. It's not a problem with the isolator because we've bypassed it. So yeah, you're definitely going to need to get NBN to attend this job and actually fix this customer's problem, because I did a test out here at the box and NBN's supposed to get a good test to this box, and they obviously haven't done that. All right. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.